Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. See here, this is 12th standard CBSE chapter 7 exercise 7.4 8th sum. Integrate x square by root of x power 6 plus a power 6 into dx equal to, see here you can take integral x square by root of x power 6. See what is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square. So you will write it as x cube the whole square. X cube the whole square plus a power 6, you will write as a cube the whole square. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. Okay. So you can take it as x cube equal to t. X cube equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. X cube become 3x square because you know the formula n into x power n minus 1 differentiation t with respect to t. With respect to y you are doing dy by dx. The same way with respect to t we are doing dt by dx. So 3x square into dx equal to dt, but in the numerator x square dx is there. So x square dx equal to 1 by 3 into dt. So you can substitute these value in the given question. See here, integral you can mention as I equal to x square dx is nothing but what? 1 by 3 dt by root of x cube. X cube you mentioned as t. So t square plus a cube the whole square. So what is the formula for integral? Dx by root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So you can substitute the value I equal to 1 by 3 integral. 1 by 3 is constant, so you can take it out. dt by root of t square plus a cube the whole square. It gives 1 by 3 log of modulus of t. In the place of x, what is the value here? T plus root of t square plus a power 6. Straight away you can write a cube the whole square is a power 6 plus c. Now you replace that t value. So it gives, you replace that t value, it gives, see here, I equal to 1 by 3 log of modulus of, what is the t value? I kept it here, x cube plus root of x power 6 plus a power 6, because x cube the whole square is what? X power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. Is it clear, children? See the ninth sum, integral I equal to, you can take it as integral secant square x into dx by root of tan square x plus that 4 you can write as what? 2 square. Let us take it as tan x equal to t, because differentiation of tan is what? Secant square x. So differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Tan x, differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x equal to t become dt by dx. In the numerator the value is what? Secant square x into dx. So secant square x into dx equal to dt. Therefore I equal to integral secant square x into dx is dt by root of tan square x t square plus 2 square t square plus 2 square. So what is the formula for this? Integral dx by root of dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Is it clear? See here, so I can write I equal to integral dt by root of t square plus 2 square. T square plus 2 square equal to log of modulus of x value. In the place of x it replaced by t, so you can write t plus root of t square plus 2 square plus c. So the sum it is in a given a form of x, so you can change the value t by secant tan x, t by tan x, modulus of tan x plus root of tan square x, root of tan square x plus 2 square, tan square x plus 2 square plus c, tan square x plus 2 square plus c. See, I equal to integral 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. You can take this term and find out the completing the square method. You can find out the root. See here, x square plus 2x plus 2. By using the completing square method, what is the coefficient of x here? 2. So you can take it as 2 by 2 the any coefficient of x by 2 the whole square, any number. So it gives, if you cancel it gives 1. So add and subtract that value. First you put add, then subtract this value. So what is the value you are getting? X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. What is the value for this? X plus 2 by 2, coefficient of x. See here, x plus, what is the coefficient of x? 2 by 2 is 1 the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 1 square. See here, you can take this value, you can take the value, you can do it in a completing square method. What is the coefficient of x here? Whatever term it is. Okay, if it is 3 also you can write 3 by 2. So 2 by 2 the whole square. What is the value you are getting? 1. You can write 1 plus or minus. First you will write plus, next you can write as a minus term. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 2. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1. You can take x. If it is plus means you will write plus. Coefficient of x by 2. What is coefficient of x? 2 by 2 means 1 the whole square. It is nothing but a plus b the whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b the whole square formula. Remaining term you can subtract and write this is plus 1. So I will write it as 1 square. You can substitute the value in the given sum. See here, I equal to integral 1 by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 square into dx. So what is the formula for this? Integral dx by root of x square plus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay, so it gives log of modulus of x value is x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 the whole square, or otherwise you will write the question also x square plus 2x plus 2 plus 1 square plus c. See the 11th sum, I equal to. Whenever you can see the coefficient of x square, you can take that term out first. See here, integral 1 by 9 into x square plus 6 by 9x plus 5 by 9. 6 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So it gives, you can take it as 1 by 9 into dx. 1 by 9 integral 1 by x square plus, you cancel the term, what is the value? 2 by 3 into x plus 5 by 9 into dx. Next, you can take the denominator value, do it as a completing square method. See, x square plus 2 by 3x plus 5 by 9. What is the coefficient of x here? As 2 by 3 by 2. 2 by 3 by 2 the whole square. Whatever coefficient is there, you can take the coefficient of x by 2 the whole square. 2 get cancelled. So it gives 1 by 3 the whole square. So what is the value we are getting now? 1 by 9. You can do it as plus or minus. First you can put plus sign, then minus sign. See, x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 9. So what is the value for this? 9 is the common denominator. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 9. See, x plus, because plus is there, plus I told you by 2. What are the coefficient of x? 2 by 3 by 2. By 2 means 2 get cancelled. So what is the value we are getting? 1 by 3, or otherwise you can keep it in your mind this value. 1 by 3 the whole square. 1 by 3 the whole square plus 4 by 9. See here, x plus coefficient of x by 2. So denominator divided by 2, 2 get cancelled. The remaining value is what? 1 by 3 the whole square. This is nothing but a plus b the whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Or otherwise you can take the square number of this value. Okay, x plus 1, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 9 is 3. It is easy for you. You can take this last term value, b square value. X plus 1, what is the square root of 9? 3. So 1 by 3 the whole square. So x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 4 by 9. It gives x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 3 the whole square. X plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 3 the whole square. I equal to 1 by 9 integral dx by, you will write it as 2 by 3 the whole square plus x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. So what is the formula? Integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So 1 by 9, 1 by 9 into 1 by a. A value is what? A value is 2 by 3. 1 by 9 into 1 by 2 by 3 tan inverse of x. What is the value of x? X plus 1 by 3 by a value is what? 2 by 3 plus c. So it gives 1 by 9 into 3 by 2. Reciprocal that value 3 by 2 tan inverse of, you can take the LCM, 3x plus 1 by 3 by 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, plus C. So you can cancel the value. See here, you will write it here. 1 by 9 into 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus C. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So it gives 1 by 6. 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 in plus C. See, I equal to integral 1 by root of, you can take the coefficient. See the coefficient of x square minus is there, you can take it out. What is the remaining value? X square plus 6x minus 7. X square plus 6x minus 7 into dx. Minus 7 into dx. So integral 1 by root of minus of x square plus 6x minus 7. So you can do it as a completing square method for this value. X square plus 6x, x square plus 6x minus 7, x square plus 6x minus 7. So what is the coefficient of x here? 6. So 6 by 2 the whole square, 3 square. So add and subtract x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 minus 7. So it gives C the value. First you will write x square plus 6x plus 9. First 3 terms, it is nothing but a plus b the whole square formula minus 16. So x plus, if it is plus means you can write plus. What is the square root of 3? 9. 3 the whole square. So this is nothing but a completing the square method. A plus b the whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 16 is 4 square. 16 is nothing but what? 4 square. So you can write it in the given sum. Substitute all the values in the given sum. 1 by root of minus into x plus 3 the whole square minus 4 square into dx, minus 4 square into dx. So it gives, see here, integral 1 by, you can substitute minus inside because we cannot take minus out, it is nothing but a complex number. So you can multiply minus inside root of minus into minus plus 4 square minus into plus minus x plus 3 the whole square into dx. So what is the formula for integral 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Sine inverse of x by a plus c. So it gives I equal to sine inverse of, what is the value? Sine inverse of x by a. X place is x plus 3. X plus 3 by a. What is the value of a? A is 4 plus c. X plus 3 by 4 plus c. See the 14th sum. I equal to integral 1 by root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into dx. First you simplify this value. See here, you can take this x minus 1 into x minus 2, multiply the value x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, it gives x square minus 3x plus 2. So you can get the value. You substitute the value in this 1 by root of x square minus 3x plus 2 into dx. If the sum it comes in a what? Quadratic form, that is quadratic equation. k, it is in a power 2. You can do it in a square root, completing the square method. You can take the sum and you can do it in a completing the square method. What is that? X square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. What is the coefficient of x here? 3. So whatever sign is there, because if it is squaring means minus become plus. You can take the number alone, it's enough. So 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 by 2 the whole square is 9 by 4. So x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 2. Is it clear, children? See, x coefficient is 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 by 2 the whole square is what? 9 by 4 plus or minus. First 3 terms you left it. Remaining terms you can take it. You leave the first 3 terms. Then you can take the remaining 2 terms. See there? LCM minus 9 by 4 plus 2. What is the value we are getting? Minus 9 plus 8 by 4. It gives minus 1 by 4. See here. X minus what is the coefficient? So what is the square root? 9 is 3 by 2 the whole square. X minus, you can see the last term, that is b square. A plus b the whole square formula, b square term, 3 by 2 the whole square. What is the remaining term? Minus 1 by 4. The value of this is minus 1 by 4. So it gives x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So I equal to integral 1 by root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square into dx. What is the formula for this? Integral dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So it gives log of modulus of, in the place of x, what is the value here? X minus 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 plus root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. X minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus c. Minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus